Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anugraha from Tech Girl Anu. So today again we're doing a scratch tutorial, as you can see in the title. Today we're going to be doing a ping pong game, as you saw in the intro earlier. A ping pong game is really easy to make. So without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, so let me just open Google. I'm gonna go to scratch. Okay, perfect. Now I'm just gonna go to create. So to make a ping pong game, before that I'll just name the title as ping pong game. Okay, anyways, let's just delete sprite 1. Ping pong game is basically where you have a paddle which you control with the mouse, and then you have a ball which bounces with the paddle, and you have to try not to make the ball fall on the line. So that's basically the overview of what we are going to do today. Just full screen it. Okay, so first we need our first sprite. So we'll go to choose a sprite. I actually already know what sprites to take, so I'm just going to type paddle. These are the most appropriate objects for this game, so I'm going to choose these objects. I'm just going to keep all the objects itself, so that, not Abby, we don't need Abby, so that we don't get confused. Ball, and we also need line. Perfect. I'm just gonna hide this both. Okay, first let's put the code for the paddle. So I want the paddle to move here and there with the mouse. Okay, now let's start coding. So first we go to motion blocks, as you can see here. Now we will take set x2. So it's currently minus 100 because I made it minus 100. And then you go to sensing and then take mouse x. So you set x to mouse x and you will always follow the mouse, as you can see. Meanwhile it's over here now. So anyways, then you put it under forever loop, so it goes on forever and ever and does not only happen once. Just zoom in a bit there. Then you put this under, go to events category and put it under the green flag clicked. Okay, now it moves. So we're actually done with the paddle code. That's it. This much is, it's so easy to code the paddle. Okay, so now let's move on to the ball. So for the ball, let me just show it. Okay, so for the ball, I want the ball to move around. So to do that, let's go to motion category and take the block that says move 10 steps. Okay, move 10 steps makes the ball move like 10 steps like it says. But I want it to go on forever and ever, so I'll go to control category and take forever loop. Okay, but the only problem is that the ball gets stuck when it's at the edge. So to do that, to fix that, we have to go to motion category and take the block that says if on edge bounce. So if on edge it bounces basically. Oops. Click it. Okay. Now I observe that the ball is only moving back and forth, but I want it to move in different directions. So to do that, I'll go to motion category again, and then I'll take the block that says point in direction. So point in direction basically points in the direction. So I'll show you an example. So for this I need an arrow. I'll change the arrow's direction to 0. Now it's a straight arrow. Okay, now I'll go to motion and point in direction 90. Okay, see, it goes back to normal. Now what if I do 180? Goes down. What if 1 minus 90? And back to 0, goes up. So the original was 90, but anyways, so that's how it works. So point in direction 90, but instead of 90 we'll do 45. Put it not in forever loop but above the forever loop. Then go to events and take when green flag clicked block. Let's see. Okay, but I actually have a kind of tip for you. So imagine this scenario. The ball comes under the paddle and it continuously goes like this, and there's no escape from the paddle. So to fix that problem, what we do is go to motion and go to random position. So in this, it will just spawn at random positions than at the same place, so you can avoid those kind of problems. So I actually made another ping pong game a while ago, maybe I think a year ago or something. But while making that, I faced this problem, and so this was the solution. Okay, now I want the ball to bounce when it hits the paddle. So to program that, you have to go to motion category and events category and take when green flag clicked, of course. Okay, so we make our own code. So let's go to motion category and take the block that says turn 15 degrees and also move 10 steps. So turn 15 degrees turns the ball by 15 degrees and move 10 steps. As you know, it moves 10 steps. Okay, so when you turn 15 degrees, of course it changes by 15 degrees. Just put it to 90, just a minute, there. Okay, now instead of 15 degrees, I'll put 180 degrees, and instead of moving 10 steps, I'm going to move 20 steps. Okay, now I'm going to take from control category, I'm going to take forever loop, and I'm going to put these inside the forever loop. And also I need if then block, so I'll keep it inside here and go to sensing category and touching mouse pointer, but instead of mouse pointer we'll put paddle. So under the if touching paddle, then that block, we have to put the turn 180 degrees and move 20 steps. So let's see. Yes, now we have a bouncing. It's bouncing now. So basically we have the game. So we've done. But now I want the game to end when the ball falls on the edge. So that's where line comes in. Just gonna show it. Put it over here or right over here. Okay, it's perfect enough. Okay, so I'm gonna code the line so that when the ball touches the line, I want the game to end. So to code that, first you go to control section and choose if then you go to sensing, if then go to touching mouse pointer. Instead of touching mouse pointer, you go to ball. So if touching ball, then go to control category and take the block that says stop ball, and that is it. And go to motion and go to events category and take when green flag click block, and we're done. See, this is a problem. Okay, let's do it again. And sometimes those kind of glitches happen where the ball, sometimes when spawning randomly, it gets in the line and you automatically lose, or when it glitches like it showed now. Okay, let's see. Let's fail purposely. You know the reason why it's not working? Because we didn't put it under forever loop. Put it under no, not there. There, pull this over there. Okay, now let's see. I'm gonna fail purposely. Done. It stops all. Okay, so we got the game going. So we're actually done with the game. Now we just have to put a score. So we'll go to variables, make a variable, name score. I'm gonna delete my variables. Then I'm gonna when green flag clicked. So as you know, I've done the variable creating in lots of my videos before, but if you're new to my channel, then first of all, thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it. And so I'll just explain it all over again. So first you have to, from events category, take when green flag clicked, then make your own variable by clicking make a variable here. And then so when the green flag is clicked, I want the score to set to 0 so that it will be fair. Now under this code we can also add change score by 1. So let's see. 1 score, 2 score, 3 score, 4 score, 5 score, 6, oh, there, 32 score. Okay, so that is a glitch which I don't think I can fix because this is an easy tutorial. Okay, it's so much glitching. Okay, now we got our ping pong game, but I want the game to be more interesting. So what about I make it like when the score reaches like a certain amount of points, for example 10 points, the ball will change color or something like that. Okay, so to do that I'm gonna take when the ball changes color. So we go to events category, when green flag clicked, then control, if then sensing. So if score is not less than, more than 20, if score is more than, okay, let's make it 20. So if score is more than 20, then go to looks category, change color effect, not next costume, color effect by 25. Okay, so this is gonna be a fast forward. I'm just gonna fast forward to when I get 20 points. Well, that was weird. Moving on. So I'm gonna make it 15 because I want it faster. So okay, let's choose a backdrop first. First of all, I'm gonna choose hearts because it's so cute. Okay. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna make another backdrop called game over so that it will display when game is over, of course. Square. Okay, I'm gonna choose a random color by filling different ones. Saturation, this one is full black. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this. Oh, it's a baby blue. Oh, it's so cute. I don't know why, but it's so cute. Oh, what if I put this blue aligned with a pink? A baby pink. Oh, this one is so good. Oh no, I lost the blue color. Okay, never mind. I have it back. Okay, this looks much better, I think. Now I'm gonna go to this one instead of sans serif, I think. I don't know how to pronounce it, I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to pixel because it's a game. So as you can see, you won't be able to see anything, of course. I'll just change it later. I mean, by later I mean now. Okay, now I'm gonna change the fill to this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I don't know why I said that, but it's so cute. Oh, I'm gonna do this. Can we do gradients with a text one? Because I've never tried it before in my entire life. You can do it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make the game over bigger because that's the main message. So now I'm just gonna do this. Game over. I'm just gonna make it bigger. Wait. Oh, I have to put it again. Like this. See, click it. Game over. Okay, so I'm done adjusting. It looks pretty good. So we're basically done with it. Oh wait, I have to code. Oh no. Okay, so I'll go to line. If touching ball, then switch backdrop. Is this backdrop too? Yeah. So, let's see if it works. Okay, it looks good. Oh wait, I almost forgot. So let's add some background music. So let's go to sounds. I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna delete boing. Oh, sorry, I kept it on mute. Oh, not pin, unmute and unpin. Okay, this one. No. I think that's it. Okay, so Scratch itself has some background music that you can use, so you don't have to import it. So for example, for that we have to go to notes. Loops. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So you get a lot of music choices. So as you can see, that's loud, but as you can see, there's video game 1 and video game 2. So for this video, I'm gonna choose video game number 1. And I'm gonna, in my opinion, it's so loud. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to when green flag clicked, then start sound video game until done. I'm gonna put it into loop. Oh, also, I go to ball. When touching paddle, sound, start sound, poing. Oh, we're done with the game. This tutorial, I think, was, in my opinion, one of the simplest tutorials ever. It's like we completed within 5 minutes, but because of the decoration process and all, I think it took like 5 more minutes. So I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And as always, I'll put the Scratch project link in the description down below, so be sure to check it out and remix it and let your creativity all into this project. And as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!